Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to be showing you how to connect PayPal to your Ecwid store. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure to watch this quick and easy video to the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure that this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do is to go ahead and open up the official Ecwid website right here at ecwid.com if you've not already, and after opening it up, you'll be greeted by this main page right here, which is the home page where you want to get started with logging into your account. If you do not already have an account, just go ahead and create a new one, and after logging in successfully, you'll be greeted by this home page right here, which is the main page where the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access, such as dashboard, sales, catalog, and so on. So let's go ahead and take a look at how we can get started connecting PayPal to your Ecwid store and start receiving payments using PayPal. All we have to do guys is just go right here, the left side screen. It's very easy, and find the payment section. So in the payment section guys, you want to open it up, and this is now going to go ahead and open up this payment menu. You can see you have multiple payment methods such as cash and so on. And what you can do guys, you can see you can add new payment methods and you can get started adding PayPal right here, as you can see directly. So what you want to do guys is find the PayPal section right here, click connect PayPal, and this is going to open up the PayPal settings where you can get started logging into your PayPal account. So enter in your information and get started logging in so you can connect it to your PayPal Ecwid store. And after that, as you can see, you can connect it from here and successfully receive your payments, and it's easy as that. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So yeah, thanks for watching, take care, and bye.